Guys, welcome back to my channel, Umbrella's World, and today I wanted to do a quick video of all of the work that I did in 2020 so it could be out of the way and I can just move forward to the other art that I want to do. They're not tutorials, they're just pictures of commissions of things I did and just pictures of things that I just wanted to do. I may even throw some paintings in there, it just depends. I look forward to doing digital pictures in the future and paintings and drawings, so I'm looking forward to doing that. It just will be a slow process of me putting it up because of all the pain of editing I have to go through with my slow laptop, not computer, slow laptop. I'm looking into getting a computer, but it'll take some time. Alright guys, and follow me if you want, on Instagram. It will be in the description box below because you might see a picture on there before you get a video of it or something, So yeah, follow me on Instagram and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!
And just levitate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Umbrella's World, and today I wanted to just do a quick video showing you all of my digital drawings I did in 2020. And then later I will show you, not in this video, but in another video, all the paintings I did in 2020. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't worry, it's not going to be long. So this is this is a drawing that I'm currently working on. It is not finished, but at least you can see what I'm doing, and I love where I'm going with it. I love being playful with my drawings and adding some realistic features, then some that's not. But right now I'm just in a kind of playful mode, so I'm not really trying to focus on realistic features right now. I'm just worrying about focusing on playful features. And this is like a drawing for a comic book that I'm trying to do. And when I do more of those, then I'll talk more on it. But you may see me maybe drawing them. And I don't know if I'll talk about the character when I'm doing it. But yeah. That's just a picture I have to draw of my nephew, Israel. And I will get to him later. So this is the first drawing I ever did on a drawing tablet. And I love how it did turn out, though. There's little flaws that you see, that I see now, but back then I did not see because I was just having so much fun drawing with the drawing tablet for the first time. And I probably leave a picture of how that looked. But like, this is supposed to be me holding a world, since it's Umbrella's World, and I'm like crafting the world, And this is my little staple bear here. Like, I like him. I like how I made his eyes just look all abstract and stuff. And he's supposed to have a little star on his stomach. Because I like stars and stuff. Like, I love the sky. I love the starry sky. I love the sunny sky. I love like a beach view of the sky when you're having a sunset and stuff. Like, I love the sky. So this was like my cover picture for my my YouTube channel for Umbrella's World. It's like the background picture, and this is my profile picture for Umbrella's World. Again, that's me with my arm resting on the world. Don't worry, nobody's dying. And I like how I did the lips there. I'm so creative. Like a little burgundy here, a little burgundy there. Again, I was just playing around. I'm still perfecting the eyes. I'm still trying to figure out what kind of eyes I want my character to have. But I have time to play around with it until I get it. And this is my little bear again. He's sleeping on me. And I like how I put him with the little drool there. This is so cute. The drool's not cute, but he's cute. So this is the next thing. This is a commission I did for my niece for her birthday. I was told to make her a LOL doll, and that's what I did. She likes making stuff like sewing and stuff, so that's why I have her with certain things like that. And to me, this is how she would look if she was an LOL doll, because she likes wearing fashionable clothes, she likes heels, she likes you know, headsets, and she loves her hair being long and stuff. So yeah, the perfect little drawing for her. And I like all the little details I added. So this is another commission I did for my cousin, and this was for his music album. He told me what he wanted me to do on the picture, and that's what I did. And I really think I did a really good job. That's the scripture on his arm. So I drew him. He was on the beach, and the beach looked beautiful in the background. So I just took him, put him in the dark background like he said, put a little lamp light, and yeah, he let me kind of listen to the song that he wanted, that he was going to kind of link to this picture, the cover, and yeah, to kind of help with inspiration on how to do the picture. This is another commission I did to put on a t-shirt. This is my little cousin's daughter. Well, not my little cousin. She's my little cousin, but this is my cousin's daughter. And the theme was Reptar. So she was going to be on the Cynthia side, and her brother was going to be on the Reptar kind of side. So they were having a birthday party together. And this is How to Be Cynthia by Angelica. I kind of made that up. Those little words there. This picture was already on the internet. I just kind of took it and added a little bit of shade of a different color to it, and added this in the background. And then I pasted it on the book, and then I pasted it on her. It's not easy getting that to look diagonal, I will say that much. But she loved how it turned out. Thank God for that. And this is her brother, the little baby brother. I watercolored his eyes, and I watercolored his lips, so you can kind of see like how I watercolored it with this brush here. I usually go back and forth between the watercolor and the pen, and I like how it turned out. He was being held by my sister, but I took my sister out of the background. I put the train there, I put a Reptar there, and I put the teddy bear there because they were not there. I had to take them from different pictures and add them onto this picture. I probably should have put the bear more closer so it looked like he's actually leaning on him. But yeah, you learn as you go. Still, my client was satisfied with the results of the picture, so that's all that matters. This one is Cynthia, the one I used for the shirt, and this is Reptar, the one I used for his shirt. I also had to put these on the jean, on like a jean jumper that they both were wearing, so that's why they're individually like this as well. And that is Reptar and Cynthia are taken from two separate pictures, and then I added this in the background because that is like a design that goes with the Rugrats. This is another commission, this one and this one together. This is the father, this is the son. They passed away at a young age. I was told to make a shirt in their honor for their birthdays, and since I wasn't able to do what they wanted on the shirt, but they still was, you know, accepted the shirt and was pleased with it, I did a thank you card with these two pictures on there. This one was like for Masterpiece, and I added his father on his shirt right there, as you can see. And his son is right there. I had to kind of crop his son to be a little, no, his daughter. I had to crop his daughter to be a little bit more up, because she was more downer. And she was kind of blurry in the picture, so I didn't get to get all her beautiful features, but it's okay. And I like how this turned out because all of this is watercolored. Every single bit of it is watercolored. I drew it first, like his outlining and everything, and I went back in bit by bit and watercolored. And I did the same with his father. So that's my issues there. So yeah. The next picture is also a commission I did for a friend of mine, that's the son, and the theme was Sesame Street, so this is a little Elmo kind of hoodie with you know, the cookies around. So yeah, there was other characters there, but I was trying to make it look as much as Sesame Street as I can. And this is the only picture they gave me. I wish I had another one, but it's okay. I made what they gave me work. And he is also watercolored. Going closer, you can kind of see the watercolor features that's going on. I had to really play around with the nose to get it to look like a nose. Oh my gosh, it was really kind of a little bit difficult to do his because he was kind of blurry as well, but luckily I was able to make it work. So I like what I did. If I can find the pictures, because I kind of deleted a lot of the pictures, if I can find any pictures, I may at the end show the original picture, maybe next to the picture, but if I can't, this is just what it will be. And this is the last commission I did that had to do with drawing. I did more shirts, but I didn't have to draw anything with those. They gave me the pictures and they told me to just put on shirts. This was the Sour Patch birthday party for this little cutie here, and I just played around again with the skin. His eyes are more watercolor than anything else. Got a little, you know, just add a little. His eyes are actually like a kind of brownish, but in the picture that was taken of him, they were this color, so that's what I kept it. And the mom was okay with it. But if he did have those other those color eyes, look, he would that would be beautiful. Doesn't matter, he's still beautiful. This was cut off, so I had to draw that on there. And his head was cut off, so that's why I added the Sour Patch Kid up there. So it can actually, you know, because I couldn't see the head and I can't really imagine how the hair would look over there, so I just added something there. And I just put little strands of hair so it can look like he's really kind of hugging on the hair, like his head. I still have to work on hair and eyelashes and eyebrows and stuff like that, but with practice I know I'll get where I want to be. But other than that, I really like all the artwork I was able to do, and you can kind of tell how it slowly was getting better and better as you go along. That's how it happens. But I really look for my work to get even better and better, but I also like to play around. So yeah, that is it, guys. That's all the digital drawings that I can think of that I did in 2020, because a lot again was going on for everyone, and it takes a lot of motivation to do drawings if you're depressed and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. You can subscribe if you're new, and you know, hit the dumbbell to be notified whenever I put up any videos. And I guess if you want to share, you can. It's okay if you don't. Also like, I don't know if I said that yet, but you know, like the video if you liked it. If I did say that, just I'm sorry. I am like trying to think of everything that I'm supposed to say. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a good night, because it is, well, it's morning for me. It may be night for you, or it may be morning for you. It is around 3:26 for me, and I have to get up tomorrow for my sister's birthday party. Okay. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.